Hi, welcome back to Imperium Learning. In the previous video, I showed you how to use the Ctrl+1 keyboard shortcut to edit the font, the background fill, and to insert borders. In this video now, I want to answer a question that I posed in the last section of my previous video, which was, how do I format the forecast section of my income statement in an identical manner to the historical section of my income statement without having to spend the same amount of time? Now, the answer to that question is actually very simple. We use something that's known as Paste Special. So, in order to show you how Paste Special works, what I'd like you to do is to go to cell C3, hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to highlight the entirety of your historical section. And then what I'd like you to do is to copy by using the Control keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C. Then what I'd like you to do is to go to cell F3, and in order to do a Paste Special, you're going to use the following keyboard shortcut, Alt-E-S. And when you type in Alt-ES, hopefully you should get the Paste Special window appearing. And as you can probably work out, what Paste Special allows us to do is to select a specific attribute of the highlighted range of cells and paste that into a new range of cells. So in our particular situation, we're interested in copying the historical section of our income statement, but only pasting in the format of that historical section into the forecast section of our income statement. So as a result, we're just going to select the formats option, and then we're just going to click OK. And then just press escape so that the highlighted range of cells isn't highlighted anymore. And as you can see now, the forecast section of our income statement has been formatted in an identical manner to the historical section. So I'm pleased to say that this concludes my video on Paste Special. In the next video, we're going to be filling in the actual numbers for the Coca-Cola income statement. So see you there.